With federal requirements changing, approximately 220,000 people in Ohio could be at risk of losing access to their Medicaid coverage. Marianella Napolitano from UnitedHealthcare Community Plan of Ohio joins us now to talk about what you need to know to maintain your coverage. So I know we've been hearing a lot about how people on Medicaid could lose their coverage. What can you tell us about that?
So the COVID public health emergency allowed Medicaid agencies to provide continuous coverage to Medicaid beneficiaries as a condition to receive federal funding. And now that those requirements are changing, that's the reason why it's important for people to renew their eligibility. What happened is that many people were able to enroll and to stay enrolled in Medicaid without having to renew their eligibility for longer periods of time. So there's currently over 3.3 million people here in Ohio who benefit from the Medicaid program. And there's, give or take, 220,000 of them at risk of losing that coverage. Many people that were able to enroll in the program throughout the pandemic may have had changes in life circumstances such as income or family size, and all those things are going to impact potentially eligibility into the Medicaid program. So it is important that now that the public health emergency is ending, that you renew your eligibility with the state.
And Marianella, why is it so important for people to maintain the coverage?
It is extremely important so that people can continue to see their doctors, that they may be able to receive routine vaccinations, immunizations. If you are someone who has a chronic condition such as diabetes or hypertension, that you are able to see your doctor, your primary care provider on a regular basis to help you manage those conditions, and that you get access to any early screenings that you may need so that you can keep maintaining a healthy living.
That sounds good. What do people need to know about checking or renewing their eligibility for Medicaid coverage?
So there's three things that I want to make sure that I call out today. Number one, contact information. It is important that the state has your most accurate and up-to-date contact information so that they can give you any updates or information that you may need. Number two, if you already receive a packet in the mail from the state, be sure to complete the paperwork by the deadline outlined within that envelope. And number three, if you are no longer eligible for Medicaid, you may be able to access healthcare coverage through your employer or also through the exchanges, which are known as the marketplace. For additional information, you can go to medicaid.ohio.gov.
All right, Marianella, and just a reminder again, we covered a lot here. Where can people go for more information?
It's important for people to go to the state website, medicaid.ohio.gov, for additional information.
All right, Marianella, thanks so much for talking with us today.
Thank you for having me.